Hello students, how is the Josh? I know your Josh is high, but with high Josh, one thing is very important, and that important thing is without proper planning, without proper strategy, don't begin with your study. So, please care and notice that planning strategy is very much important. Without delay, without joke, now begin with your topic. Chapter 7 Alternating Current. In this chapter, I have to explain today about a very important topic, that is transformer. And in transformer, 4 points are very much needed. First is definition, principle, diagram and theory. 4 points. So let us start. Definition. It is a device which converts low voltage to high voltage and high voltage to low voltage. Very simple. Depending on this concept, two types of transformer is there. Step up transformer and step down transformer. Step up transformer means the number when in primary and secondary. I will explain about that. So definition and principle. Come to the principle. It is based upon EMI, or you can say phenomenon of mutual induction. Here primary and secondary two coils are there. There is a phenomenon of mutual induction, that is the principle. And diagram, very simple diagram. And you can take iron core here and coils, insulating coils, and here secondary coil. It is connected by the load resistance R. It is connected by the input AC, like that. This is primary coil, this is secondary coil. What happens? Resistance of primary and secondary coil are negligible. So input power is equal to output power is observed. Suppose the number of turns in the primary coil are NP, in secondary coil are NS. The induced voltage across primary is VP, across secondary Vs, and since the current flows in primary, the current in primary and the current in secondary. In primary, the current is IP, and in secondary current is IS. So IP into BP is the power of in primary circuit, and IS and VS is the power in the secondary, across secondary you can say. So input power is equal to output power. This is an ideal case. This is very important relation for the sake of the numerical. And one thing that is very much important to note in our mind, that the induced voltage that is VP in primary coil, this is also induced. The induced voltage across primary, that is VP here, because induced voltage and the voltage across primary both are the same. the Vp is equal to minus Np d phi by dt. We know very well. And similarly, Vs is equal to minus Ns, number of turns, d phi by dt. The rate of change of flux is equal in both. Equation 1, equation 2. If you divide, then this is cut and you will find that Vp by Vs is equal to Np by Ns. Transform Np by Ns here. You should know very well. When Np is step up, step down. Step up means number of turns is greater in secondary. Step up. And for step down, number of turns in secondary, that will be less. So this is for number of turns in secondary coil is more. Therefore, that will be step up transformer, and for step down, number of turns in secondary coil, that will be lesser. So you can understand it very well. Now the efficiency of the transformer. The efficiency of the transformer is represented by eta. That is, eta is equal to output power by input power. Output power means Vs by Is by Vp Ip. For ideal transformer, the output power, that will be equal to input power. Okay, means eta will be 100% for ideal transformer. Now one question, numerical question, I have taken from NCERT book, question 723. I am just reading the question. This is question 723 from NCERT book based upon transformer, and that is very much simpler. I will read the question and I will solve it. Question number 723 from NCERT. Question says, a power transmission line feeds input power at 2300 means 2300 volt to a step down transformer with its primary windings having 4000 turns. What should be the number of turns in the secondary in order to get output power at 230 volt? So given that, first of all we will write, given that Vp is equal to 2300 volt, Np is equal to 4000 turns, Ns is equal to what, and Vs is equal to 230 volt. This is the data given in the question. Now you can look the given data, Vp, Np, Vs, Ns, means the relation for Vp by Vs is equal to Np by Ns. That will help to find the value of Ns, number of turns in secondary coil. We can put the value Vp means 2300 divided by Vs 230 is equal to Np 4000 divided by Ns, this Ns. That means we have to calculate, simplify. What will be the value? The value of Ns, that can be calculated as 0000. Here Ns is equal to 40 into 230 divided by 40 into 230 divided by 23. It is 10 times 400 Ns. Number of turns 400. So this is the answer of this question. I think you have got it. Okay.